In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Ziidi Money Market Fund account and start saving as low as 100 shillings and start earning interest on a daily basis. We have two ways you can set up your Ziidi Money Market Funds account. The first one is through *334 and the second one, which is the easiest, is through the Mpesa mobile app. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. The first thing you need to do is to download the app. So once you have downloaded the app, open it and then enter your PIN to open. And your account now is open. So from here, head down until you see the option called Financial Services. And from this, you can see we have the Ziidi Money Market Fund option, and others include Mali, Mshwari, as well as KCB Mpesa. So we are interested in Ziidi. So tap on it to open. And then this will go ahead and load the app onto your smartphone. And from here, go ahead and enter your Mpesa, your current Mpesa PIN. And then this will open your Ziidi account. And here we go. Tap on opt-in to launch. Now, as you can see here now, you are in Ziidi account. And the good thing, you'll operate this account just using your Mpesa PIN number. Again here, go ahead and enter your Mpesa PIN. And then it will validate your account and give it time to load. And now your account has been opened. Now you'll get a message. As you can see, I've received a message welcoming me into Ziidi Money Market Funds account. From now, you can now begin investing your money by topping up or making a withdrawal anytime. To top up your account, just tap on invest and then enter the amount. The minimum amount is 100 shillings and then continue, enter your Mpesa PIN, and immediately once you confirm, you'll see your amount in the wallet. Now to withdraw the amount, all you need to do is to tap on withdraw and then enter the amount you wish to withdraw depending on the amount you have on your wallet, and then tap on continue, enter your Mpesa PIN, and then you'll receive the amount straight to your Mpesa account. Now, if you want to lock your amount so that you give it time to grow without touching on it, then you can go ahead and lock your investment using the lock investment option, which is here. If you tap on it, then proceed from here, then enter the amount you wish to lock. For instance, maybe you want to lock 5,000. Currently, I don't have that amount. That's why it is inactive. And then just tap on continue to lock the amount. Now, once you have locked your amount, you have to note that the amount will only be available 72 hours after unlocking the amount. So this option is not permanent. You can as well go ahead and unlock your amount. Now, as you can see, the net rate at which your amount will grow is at 7.51%, and this is per annum. However, this is calculated or computed on a daily basis. As you can see, after one day, after 24 hours, you will see the interest you have earned, and it will be shown here under your balance. If you go under my account, here you can see your statement. You can also add the next of kin, your email addresses, as well as you can get the answers to the frequently asked question. And finally, you can also opt out of this when you choose the opt out option. And the good thing is you can opt out and opt in at any time. So that's how you open a Ziidi Money Market Fund account and then start your investment journey and earn interest on a daily basis. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me.